leave you. You respect yourself, would you? Mama.
Better Mama. Keep you. I'm not going anywhere.
You're not going anywhere. Mama, talk to her. After all, you are the one that allowed this idiot to come into this house. Yeah? Mama, I am talking and you are busy eating. Yeah? Mama.
Shameless man, come here.
Go get that dog.
Whether you like it or not.
Mommy.
I tell you, Gidigbam. I'm not going anywhere.
Who are you Gidigbam for? Look at this nonsense, oh. Mama, what is this that is mommy that you are you mad? Leave me now. What is this now?
Kill me! Yes, I want to die here.
I will headbutt you.
Okay.
I will kill you now.
Okay, kill me.
You're looking. What is this now? Why are you asking me now? You cannot to me on. It's not possible. You see all those nonsense. By God, crack rubbish. What is this that you want to kill me? Mama, I am talking to you. You're not saying anything. You're looking for who to kill. You cannot try it. You want me to marry you so that you will kill me like you killed your husband in Pekka. You are too small.
Foolish man. You killed my husband. You better go and see my people. You better follow me and go and see my people.
Never!
Okay.
You see, you killed me. What you do is to marry and kill. You want me to marry you so that you cannot. Mama, I'm going now. I'm talking to you now. You're not saying anything, Mama. You are doing.
You are not going anywhere.
I'm not going anywhere.
If you anywhere you go, I follow.
I'm not gonna die on top of you when you want to kill me too. My friend, leave me. Mama, I'm not going. I'm talking to you.
So I'm only good for you. I'm only good for you to sneak around my husband's house to sleep with me. I'm not good for you to marry, Abi. I'm not good for you to marry. You must marry me.
Leave me now. Why are you dragging me like this? If I drag you like this, will you survive it? You think if I unleash my weight on you, can you survive it?
I will.
Why are you dragging me like this now?
I will.
I am tired. That one is past tense. We are not in present tense. Leave me now. Let me go. What nonsense is this? Mama, I'm leaving you. You're not saying anything. My friend.
When you were enjoying my body, you not say you were tired.
Leave me alone.
Now you are tired.
I want to leave here.
You're not tired.
Mama, I'm leaving you.
You can go. But you still meet me here. I'm not going anywhere.
You're not going anywhere. Go and get out. Mama, you're not saying anything.
I'm in this house. I'm not leaving.
You're not saying anything. Car. I'm not going again. It seems you want to use this winch to kill me. Car. We're not here. We're not here.
Yes, I want to die here.
I'm not going again.
I want to die here. Mama. You must go and marry me. You must go and marry me.
Yes. Ajibota, better do fast though, because when I'm laughing, I'm fucking serious. Ajibota! 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 See, when I'm laughing, I'm fucking serious, so. Shit! Now can I do toss it on tire? Not because of this last system for us.
Get us not even deliver finish. Not because I just lapses.
That butter.
I don't lose my money.
Let's go.
I don't lose my money.
I am stuck between the devil and the blue sea. I am stuck between a fire and a dungeon. Decision making is impossible. Oh, how do I get out of this? So confusing, man. Which one do I go for? And which one do I turn down? This whole thing is so hard on me. It's so hard on me. What do I do now? Which way to go now? This whole thing is so hard on me. It's so hard on me. What do I do now? Which way to go now? Oh. Stuck between the devil and the blue sea. I am stuck between a fire and a dungeon. Decision making is impossible. Oh, how do I get out of this? So confusing, man. Which one do I go for? And which one do I turn down? This whole thing is so hard on me.
What are you doing here? I told you I don't want to see you again.
Father, your action is hurting everyone in this family. Whatever must have happened, Father, is as a result of miscommunication.
Sebastian, you're simply jealous. It is obvious you admire Adugo. Maybe you lack the guts to talk to her yourself. But now that the deed is done, what do you expect me to do?
Father, I'm your son, for crying out loud. I have no obligation whatsoever to fight you over a woman. I might have been disappointed about the whole thing, but that shouldn't come between us.
Leave.
Father.
Leave.
God, please protect my granddaughter. Protect her from the place, I'm begging. She's an innocent girl, oh. She don't do anything, oh. She don't do anything, oh. She's innocent, oh. Ah. Protect my grandchild from me, please, I'm begging you. Anything you want from me, I will give you, Papa. Don't show me mercy, oh. I do go come there, Kumakaya, my granddaughter. Chuku, please protect her or bring her back for me. I want to see my granddaughter. Adugo, is that you? Adugo!
Adugo! Adugo, mommy! Adugo!
Oh, I don't know what to say. I can't place my hands where the fight is coming from between your father and you. Does he blame me for Adugo's kidnap?
His action says so. I'll try my best to make him see reasons with me. Adugo has created an impression. Since then, he has become the shadow of himself. He only comes out to hold the palace council meeting. Even his food has been redirected to his chambers.
That's serious. Don't allow that bother you, my friend. He will come around. Surely he will.
You don't know my father. You don't know my father at all. My prayers is that Adugo returns. That has been my prayer point.
I pray that happens. If not, you become your father's sworn enemy.
Domestic one at that.
Drink up, my friend. Drink up. It's okay. You're telling me about something.
What I was trying to tell you.
But why should you go to the palace? It is dangerous to see the king now, Adugo.
Mama, I need to go and warn His Majesty. It would be selfish of me if I don't inform him of all that is happening.
No problem. But there are other ways to do that. I didn't say you should not warn him. There are other ways you... Look, the people that took you, I know they're still looking around, waiting to catch you. And when they catch you, hey, you might not be lucky this time.
Mama, but how am I supposed to warn him? How?
Call him on phone. Call him phone.
Mama, see, I do not have a problem calling him, but I feel it's, disrespectful.
They say disrespect. Bia, you want to disrespect your life to please the king. Bia, but call him. Call him on phone or send disrespect.
Okay, Mama, let me call.
Boy, I'm coming. Call him. I'm coming. Call him. Let me hear you.
Mama, I'm calling.
Your Majesty, I am bothered. Up till this moment, the prince, the heir apparent to the throne, has not presented the woman that he wants to marry to us, and the ceremony is too close to us. Take this, switch it off. Pick your call. It may be very important information. Nothing is more important than palace business. If it is that important, whoever is at the other end can always call back. Please proceed.
Oh no, continue.
So as I was saying, it is against the custom.
Mama, his numbers are switched off. I think I should just go to the palace immediately to warn him.
Adugo, please. Go where? Continue to call him. He's not there. Maybe he's far from where his phone is.
Mama, all these ones, we've been here. You've been explaining all these things to me. Let me just go to the palace instead of sitting here. Sitting here might just cause somebody's leg.
Adugo,
Mama.
Adugo, come back here. Adugo. Hi. Look at this girl, Mama.
Okay.
What's okay? What's oh okay?
So this is a you want to leave me here and run away, Abi? That is a lie.
What do you mean that's a lie? I say yeah, girl. Respect yourself, oh. Just respect yourself. I am going to Ikunem. My great grandmother is dead, and I was called to come and officiate her burial. So respect yourself now.
Ah, okay, no problem. See, Odoye, wherever you go, I go. Eh?
Agreement.
Did you hear me?
What do you mean wherever you go? What do you mean? As what? Are you empty and wherever you go? For what? Respect yourself, oh. Just Uju, leave me, oh. I'm going to my mother's place. Come.
Wait. Everywhere you go, I will follow you. Because you killed my own husband. I will not give up on you. I am not giving up on you. We die here.
You are who die here? Are you mad? Are you mad? Who killed your husband? Respect yourself, oh. Idiot. Let me live here, oh. Let me live here. What is this now? Was it because you begged me to come and do? I did. Now he's not sweeting you. You want to? Are you my wife? What nonsense that?
You came to do in my husband's house. Now you must marry me. It's me and you forever.
I Marondo. You are who forever. Respect. Uju. See. Forget this body. Forget that I'm gentle. I can be unreasonable. What is this now? I'm going nowhere. Are you my wife?
You are going nowhere.
I'm telling you, I want to be. Okay.
We die here together.
I will die here.
We die here. I want to leave.
Okay, see what happened there?
Wherever you go, you must go and marry me.
See, you are looking for my trouble.
Me and you forever.
I can go. Where have you been? Everybody has been worried about you.
I am fine. Please, a quick one. The king is not on seat, and I've been waiting for him. Could you tell me how to go?
Oh, not to worry. The king will be on seat before I know it.
Adugo, what did you just say happened? And who is behind this?
Hello? I'm fine. How are you? Okay. I've been home all day, but I'm planning to go see some of my friends. Yes. All right. Take care. Okay. Oh. Why is this girl disturbing to come visit me? I beg, I don't tell you I know they date my neighbor.
Adugo,
Your Majesty.
this is unbelievable.
How dare you? How dare you? Are you stupid? How embarrassing! How can you do that to my family? How dare you? Say this to my family! You are cooking now!
Sebastian, enough.
Father.
Calm down.
Father, allow him. This man is wicked and evil. Coward. Ingrate.
Adugo,
Your Majesty.
can you recognize this young man? I want you to look at him closely.
Yes. He was the mastermind behind my kidnap.
Adugo, how are you?
Douglas, what are you doing here?
This is a bad thing to come and see you.
I can't remember inviting you.
Oh, Mama, good afternoon.
Adugo, who is this and who owns all these food items?
Mama, my name is Douglas. I'm your daughter's friend.
Douglas, what is going on here? Like, what is all this for?
Well, I kept bearing it for your sweet mother. It wouldn't be most impressed if I come empty-handed. So, Mama, all these are for you.
Is it for me?
Yes.
For me?
Yes. In addition to that, I think
This is for me? Yes. Ha! Woo! Thank you.
Welcome. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Can we talk?
You are not being fair. Not at all.
Adugo, calm down. Listen. From the very day I set my eyes on you, I've not been myself. I hardly sleep these days.
You must erase those thoughts. I see all the jamboree is to get sympathy from my mother and to box me into accepting your proposal.
My love for you, Jenny, no string attached. For those things I got for your mom, it's just to appreciate her for bringing such an adorable princess to this world. Please, accept my proposal. That's what I'm asking. Please. Please. Come on.
Adugo, you don't have to be sad about this. A woman is supposed to have as many suitors as they are available.
Mama, This is not about suitors. The king expects me to accept his proposal. And now Douglas. And I don't like him. I feel he pretends too much.
Then accept the king's proposal. Yes. You have been staying with his family for a very long time now. So it will be a home for you.
Think so?
No. You not even know that you are in marriage. You feel like you are at home, as if you are in my house.
Well, I do not know what to say. At least you know what you want, and you can decide to give him a chance.
A chance? I barely know him, aside seeing him with Prince Sebastian at times.
Well, Rome wasn't built in a day. Maybe you should try to get to know him and see if he's the kind of man you love.
I'll think about that.
Okay.
So, is lunch ready?
Well, in a few minutes. But let me go and check, you know.
Let me go and see my madam.
Okay.
You don't have to be angry. This can't work between us. I've already made a decision.
On what basis is your decisions? I can give you everything you want. Houses, cars, money, name it.
This is not about material things. The heart wants what it wants.
Your heart does not accept me. After trying all I can to make you happy. Listen, I don't give up so easily in anything I want.
Meaning?
Nobody will have you except me. And I'm damn serious about it.
He said that to you?
He did. And his words made me so uncomfortable. I felt like I was being threatened.
Forget that one, Biko. You shouldn't take such words seriously. You know, just don't take it seriously. I'm sure with time you will get over it or something.
I sincerely hope so.
You?
Shock you.
Finally, you grace me with your presence.
So you're the mastermind behind all of this? I have not done anything to you, Douglas. Please, let me go.
Why are you lamenting? You should be happy that you're alive. You should be joyful that I love you. I have laid a platform for us. From here, we'll be flying to the Caribbean, where the priest will be waiting for us in his beautiful beaches to join us in a holy matrimony. So what do you think? Huh? What do you think?
Disgusting. Douglas, I promise you are going to pay dearly for this.
Abia,
That depends when you leave here. From here, we're taking a private jet far away from home. Before you know it, you give me twins.
Ejima, you know this matter.
Beautiful twins like you.
Boys, Tamo!
Oyibo Pepe.
Douglas,
Shut up!
don't leave me here, please. Douglas, don't leave me here. Douglas, try for me.
Come on. Good market. Watch out. Look at conscience. Look at well.
Please don't leave me.
Nobody dey iron pomo.
Please let me go. I promise. I'm not going to tell anyone, please.
You don't know this beef. So look how you again.
I was lucky to have escaped from him.
You are wicked. Coward! You use your position to oppress the vulnerable. You shouldn't be walking amongst humans. Fool.
Right on time.
Greetings, Your Majesty.
I was already getting impatient. Here is the kidnapper. Arrest him and make sure he is arraigned in court.
Please, Your Majesty, forgive me. It's the work of the devil.
Hey, shut up.
Arrest
Young
him.
man, this will take this man away before I do something. Move! Drastic to him now.
Get out!
Arrest him!
This way! I'll make sure you never see the daylight again. Animal, be seated. Silly bugger.
I am stuck between the devil and the blue sea. I am stuck between a fire and a dungeon. Decision making is impossible. Oh, how do I get out of this? So confusing me. Which one do I go for? Which one do I turn down? This whole thing is so hard on me. It's so hard on me. What do I do now? Which way to go now? This whole thing is so hard on me. It's so hard on me. What do I do now? Which way to go now?
Adogo, I am happy you are back home safely. Now come. Come. Be seated. You're welcome.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Sebastian.
Your Majesty.
Miriam. I am sorry for accusing you wrongly, assuming that you had a hand in her disappearance. Please forgive me.
It's okay, Father. It's not your fault. I mean, anyone in your shoe could have done the same. The most important thing here is that she's back and she's safe. We're happy that you're back. We almost went crazy thinking about you. Why did she return? That fool could have roasted her. What is she doing here? I hate to see her face
showing up in my face all the time. Huh? Mama, leave me alone now. Leave me now.
Are you the one that is going to marry yourself? Why can't you stay back in your husband's house? Instead of you to go and be looking for a man to marry you.
Says who, Mama? Says who? Udoye and I share a lot of love together. It's only marriage that can see what we feel for each other.
Will you shut up your mouth? Have you eaten anything that made you to speak like a foolish girl? A man has already told you countless times to behave yourself. Uju, you are no longer a child.
But Mama, you have underestimated me. Anyway, let me reserve my comments for now. Meanwhile, my husband's people are coming to see you. So just get ready. Hey! Stop all this, your nagi.
Chineke move. You don't even mind because if you can, and if you don't want
I am telling you the truth. You need to see how that evil girl is lying to everybody that cares to listen to her, that Udoye will marry her. Hey.
And your son, what did he say?
Nothing, no. All they do in my house is quarrel and fight. Every minute of the day, now she has turned to something else. She steals from me.
Serious?
Hey! My son will not marry her.
You mean what you're saying? I've always warned you about Udoye. And you know, people are saying that he killed Abaka. Yes.
That my son, Udoye, killed Abaka. It's a big lie. That's a big lie. Don't mind whatever people are saying. That girl, I have these strong feelings that she must have charmed my son. Yes! Because I don't see the connection between that girl and my son. She is evil. She is a demon. She is evil. I hope you are not siding her. I hope you are not siding her. Udoye will not marry her. I don't have water in my mouth. Udoye will not marry that girl.
Please take it easy. I'm not rooting for anybody. Who am I to suggest who Udoye marries? I'm only trying to say I'm not what I heard that people are saying. How can I force his decision? See me now. I'm not.
Let us be guided. That is all.
Okay, better. Let's be guided, please. Please. I'm not supporting anybody. No. I'm only trying to say you must be careful.
Young man, you don't expect me to use force or pressure into raising the names of all other accomplices. Now, who are involved in the kidnap?
I'm here, I'm being held. And you're still asking me about other accomplices.
Don't push me. Where are the other thugs? Where are they?
I want to speak to my lawyer. At least I have the right to defend myself of this allegation laid on me.
You know what? I know your type. I've handled your type before. So you want to play hard on me, right?
Officer, no offense. But that's just the way you want it.
Angelina, mama. Never, 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 never. Adamu.
Mama, how are you?
I'm every day I'm getting older and older every day.
Mama.
No.
Ew.
No, you're looking good.
Thank you, Mama.
How is the city?
Mama, city is fine. City is fine.
Adamu. Angelina, I'm good to see you. No.
Oh, Mama.
How was your trip now?
Mama, the road is so bad. And the driver was driving so recklessly, but thank God I'm here.
Thank God.
Thank God I'm here.
Thank God.
Mama.
I hardly hear from you these days. I was worried.
You know life in the city.
What is happening? What is happening now? No.
Uju, what is going on here? And why are you putting on my clothes?
Oh, Mama.
You can't work again. You can't work on again. Do I look like your mate?
Mama, does this look good on me?
You must be very, very stupid. Will you remove my clothes for me?
Mama, I'm going to show up with this. Maybe my husband, your son, will consider me for marriage.
Daydreamer. Who will marry you? Not in this house. My son will never marry you. Go in and take off my clothes immediately. Again, Afia. Do I look like your mate? Can't get better now when you begin. Eh? Guy, you back from Kita before I'll descend on you. Where is Udoye yourself? Udoye!
Mama.
Udoye!
Mama, calm down. Udoye is not around. Mama, don't you want me to marry your son?
No, Degene. Never. You will never marry my son. Guy, you back from Kita before I descend on you now. Go and remove my clothes now.
But Mama, this is not supposed to cause problem now. Eh? We are in this together. Your son really wants to marry me.
No,
don't know why you're...
Never. It will never happen. Will you go inside and remove my clothes before I descend on you? Go remove my clothes now.
I'm putting in your clothes. Are you not my mother-in-law?
Who? Are you my going?
In fact, this clothes is too old for
Shameless
you. This clothes is for
will you get out of this place? Go and remove my clothes.
There is no need for you to doubt these materials. I personally selected them because I know you will love them. They will suit the occasion.
Yes, I like them. They are nice. But you know what they always say? Ego jolly. Yes, now. Money is everything. And I know my soon-to-be husband, Udoye, will surely love them.
Speaking of Udoye, so finally he has agreed to marry you, ever?
Yes, now. Do you think I will sit back and watch him slip away from my fingers?
For where?
I know his mother is the one controlling him, forcing him not to marry me.
Do not allow it to. Hold him very tight. He's your husband, though.
Before Oko. Biko, let's talk about these materials. Do you think my soon-to-be husband will love them?
Now. If we are in car, all of them, including your mother-in-law, will love these materials. This one goes for 5,000 naira.
Ezioku.
The rest is 3,000 naira.
Hey, Ezioku.
The rest is 3,000. Just make your choice.
Okay, I will take them. But these two, you give me for 1,500 naira. Agreed.
It's not a fair price, but just for you, take this one. Just for me to say my market, not that it is the price.
No problem. Thank you. Okay, wrap them now.
Oh, yeah, welcome.
Hey, Mama.
No.
So, Mama,
You sounded very excited over the phone. But I'm wondering why you refused to tell me what it is you wanted to say. And you insisted I must come home.
I insisted that you must come home because I've been missing you.
Mama.
Now I want to see my daughter though. I want to see my daughter. Maybe you're not missing me.
Mama, I miss you.
I'm happy that I'm seeing you now. I'm
Hey,
happy.
Mama. Okay, I'm not worried again. I am here. So what is the good news?
It's a very good news.
Mama.
Wonderful news. It's about our dog. Someone is seeking for her hand in marriage.
Adugo.
Yes.
Adugo came. Oh! Oh! Mama, this is great news.
Good news, wonderful news.
Mama, who is the man and where is the man from?
He's from this village.
Okay.
Someone you will love to, get the email.
Mama.
Somebody you will like to be in love with.
Mama, tell me.
He's not that person than the Igwe of this village. He said he wants to see Adugo's mother before he could proceed with the marriage rites.
Angelina, what are you doing here?
You sent for me. Your Majesty, she's my mother.
She's your mother?
Yes, this is my mom. Is there any problem?
Daughter, you cannot marry him.
I am short of words. This is unbelievable.
Mother, what are you talking about?
I don't know how to explain this, but I think Mama needs to be here. My mother needs to be here. But believe you me, you can't marry him.
What has Mama got to? What is going on?
It won't work. You can't marry him.
Nobody should tell me what to do. Unayi, Udoye must marry me. He must marry me.
Uju, you and I know that Udoye and his mother have now started to marry you. Why are you forcing yourself on Udoye? I am warning you, leave that young man alone. You're supposed to be with your husband people. I don't know why you're not with them. And they are the people who own you, not Udoye. Please, leave them. I'm tired of settling issues.
I did not invite you here to settle any issues. Oh. Nobody should annoy me. Oh. Nobody should annoy me. Hey, Udoye must marry me. Udoye is my husband. He's my husband, though.
You're living in a dream, you know that. Whatever you are doing now is complete waste of time.
Oh.
That is for sure. Remember, Udoye's mother is very protective of Udoye. And there's no way she will allow her son marry you. I am warning you. Leave them alone. Because I will not tell this again. Oh. I will not warn you. Oh. I'm leaving this issue for you. I am going. Leave them alone.
No amount of intimidation will make me leave Udoye. Udoye is mine forever. He is mine. You wicked people should allow us to enjoy our marriage. Udoye killed my husband. It is right for him to marry me.
Okay, continue. But at last I know you will cry. You are going to cry. You will cry. Surely you must cry at last. Leave Udoye alone. Leave Udoye alone. I will not talk about this matter again. You are very stubborn like your mother. You don't listen to advice. I will not advise you again. And I'm very much sure that that woman will skin you alive.
They cannot do anything. They cannot do anything to me. Let her try. Let her try. Let her bring it on. I am equal to the task. I must marry Udoye. Udoye is mine forever and nobody can stop us. Not even you. Not even you.
Uju, you are my daughter. Listen to me.
He's mine.
Listen to your father.
He must marry me.
Okay.
He must marry me. Okay. Udoye is my husband.
Okay. Go. Kill Udoye. Marry Udoye. Go in.
Igwe Odogu is seeking for my daughter's hand in marriage. I can no longer keep quiet over this. Else, I am going to make the greatest mistake of my life. No, the truth has to be told. And now is the time.
No, you must come and perform my traditional rites too. If you like, you dodge. Anyhow you want to do it, I don't know. Because for me, I am already married to you.
Chineke. Uju, what is it that I've done to you? Can you hear me again? No, what have I done? Is it now a crime that I have helped you to feel like a woman? Initially, you were bragging, oh. Now I said, okay, fine. Let me try my strength in you. Since you said I cannot do anything. You lured me into this, you remember. Now, wow, I came out, you enjoyed it. Leave me alone now. I am begging you, I am not the one that killed your husband. No, now. After all, I didn't even know that he won't be alive that day. Please now, because...
See, it's not as if I'm punishing you. I love you more than my husband.
Hi, God.
You make me feel like a real woman, unlike my husband.
Fine. I made you feel like a real woman. Now that I've succeeded in making you feel like a real woman, go now. Have I not tried? What is this now? Do you know? Each time I enter you, do you know the kind of strength I lose? You want to kill me? I made you feel like a... I don't know. Why are you this greedy, Uju? Why are you this greedy? You have enjoyed it. Allow other people to enjoy it too. What is this now? Okay, no problem. I have agreed. I will be killing myself, wasting that strength in you. Oh, but you coming to this place every time. Just go to your house. Stay in your house. I'll be coming there time to time to service your interest.
No! I want you all to myself.
What?
So I was good for you when my husband was alive. Now that he's dead, I'm not good again. You better come and carry me for wholesale.
It's not possible. What is this now? What is this now? You want me to die you? You don't even have catch anymore. It is I need somebody that if I want to enter, it will just you want me? I don't know.
How? I mean, why was this kept away from me?
It's a long story, Your Highness.
Why are you following me? I am following you because you know I'm following you. Okay, listen. I like you. And I know you know I like you. And I know that is the reason you should understand that I'm following you. Understand the mathematical imply. See, my name is Prince.
Hey, hold it there. I don't want to know who you are. Please, let me be. Allow me. I am not interested.
Come on, calm down. Why are you in a hurry? Don't be in a hurry. Nobody is here. It's just you and I, trying to understand each other. Listen, I have things in stock for you. Look at me, I'm good to go. Listen, once you say yes, I'll begin to put things, twinkle of an eye. Bam, 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 bam. See, it's not a child's play. Just say yes and everything will be at your favor.
I am not interested. Let me be.
Come. See. Relax. Hold on so that you will be helped. You need to be helped. And I'm trying to help you.
I don't need your help. Biko, allow me be. Hey!
Did you just slap me?
Please allow me, please. Please don't.
You don't know me. I will deal with you.
Don't do this to me, please.
You see that thing you're hiding? Until today. You
don't do this to me.
Open.
Don't do this to me, please.
Yeah, shut up.
Don't do this.
Shut your mouth. I've been begging you since. I've been trying to be sincere with you. And you see this now. I will finish you. Nobody will.
I'm sorry.
Don't. Open your legs.
Mommy.
Oh yeah.
My mother, what am I going?
Stop crying. Stop. Let me tell you, if anybody noticed this, it will be so difficult for you to get married. Clean your tears.
Stop. I'm finished, stop.
Where have you been? I sent you on errand to Mama Ogechi's house this morning. What happened? Please. I don't want your Don't start with now. I asked you a simple question. Just give me a straight answer, simple answer. Where have you been since morning I sent you on errand to Mama Ogechi's house?
I went to...
Angelina, I'm asking you. Mama!
I am pregnant for you.
What did you just say?
I said I'm pregnant.
Come again.
I am pregnant! You have succeeded in getting me pregnant, right?
Are you mad, Angelina?
Am I mad?
Is something wrong with you? Oh, you even have the guts to tell me to my face. What is your problem? Listen, I know your type. Despite the fact that I follow you here and there, I know your type. You want to ridicule me in this village. You don't know what I possess. You don't know you don't know what I have. You don't know the class I belong. You want to ridicule me. You want to spoil me before people. You want my father to see me as a prodigal son and then begins to think of disowning me so that I will not be the next king of this community. Okay, I will not be his heir. Listen, your plan will not work. Okay? Let me sound it to you. Your plan will not. Now go back to whosoever that sent you. be the person male or female, tell him or her that his or her plan will not work. My father cannot disown me for your sake. This pregnancy, I have nothing to do with it. Go and tell whosoever that got you pregnant. This is a non. Tell them I am not involved.
You got me pregnant and...
Listen to me and listen attentively. For the fact that I'm standing here talking to you, I don't intend to talk to you again. I don't want to see you with my 2 eyes. The next time you stop me on the road or you accost me to talk this nonsense again of pregnancy or no pregnancy, what I will do to you that day, what I will do to you that day, you will never believe it in your life.
I am carrying your child.
Shut up!
I am pregnant for you!
Get out of this place! Get out! Leave this environment! Get out! Look at this! Look at this, Angela. When did I have intercourse with? When did we meet? When do I know you?
Chiwe, I'm finished. I'm finished though. Hey!
Angelina, did you see the face of that rapist? Eh? You didn't see him? How? As in Okuchiganya Mbonemea?
Forget about it.
I will not forget it. At least let us expose him.
If it's about this man in question, Biko, forget about him. Forget about him.
So you have decided to bear the cross alone on your own self. I want to help you find out the solution. Eh?
This man. If it's about this man, forget about it. I don't want. I told Romu. Biko.
Okay, no problem. Angelina, it's okay. But let's tell your mother. Tell her what happened.
My mother. What for?
For
It's come joke. Biko, Chinwe, leave me alone. Happen, Biko.
there's no problem. At least you did not go about aborting the baby. Because I would have killed you with my bare hands if you had done that. Abortion is not even the option, Mama. The problem is that she didn't tell you about the pregnancy. There's no problem about that. I already know. But the problem now is that who is that man behind the mask? Who is he that behind this? I want to know the person that put in this way. Who is he? Take me to him, that's all.
Mama, please. This man in question, hey, he's very powerful and very strong.
Yeah, Angelina.
Mama.
Did you see smile on my face? No, do I look like I'm joking? Don't allow me to force it out from you. Don't allow me to force it out from your mouth. Tell me that the man that kept you in this condition, that put you in this condition against your will. Tell me now, take me to that man. That is what we are here to settle.
Please, it's for our own safety. Mama, Biko.
What again?
Mama, Biko, no.
Come on, get out.
Mama, we can't go.
Take me to that. Where is he? Which road? Which way? Which way?
Mama, please.
I will get this guy also.
They always say that fate knows how to deal with one a blow. So all this while, Your Majesty has been the one behind the affair.
My mistakes in the past, it's all coming back to me now. I wish I can just turn back the ends of time, right on my wrongs. My mistake in the past has humped me down. Where do I start to make amends? It's all coming back to
looking for my job. Get out of my house. I'm going nowhere. I'm not leaving this place. Why? This is my husband's house. Your son killed my husband. He belongs to me now. He belongs to you. So what? There is no problem. Go to his house and meet him. Go and meet him. Stay away from here. Where are this compound, Sorum? I don't want to see you anywhere close to my compound. Mama, you are just wasting your time. This is not fair at all. Your son cannot kill my husband and go scot-free. Udoye is my new husband now. Belgian wife. Belgian wife like you. Apuna, if you're not working, can you just listen to yourself? If you're not working ready for what? I know you are the one that caused your husband's death when you go about sleeping with all the men in this village. Apuna, lie. If you're not working, leave my company. If you like, leave my company. I will wait for you to come back. Never! I will wait for you to come back.
What is this? What is this now?
Thank God you are here, because today and today, we die here today.
You are who? Get out! You idiot! You are
running! Come on, carry your bag. See your bag here. I'm off here. You can have a charger. Idiot. Apuna. Get up of my way. Open your smelling mouth. Nobody knows that I said what will tell you. Where is she? Mahmoud, you come out and meet me here. Look at her, useless woman. You and your daughter are planning so hard to enter my family. But trust me now, that will never happen. Mbano, Oma meme. Cha kwa.
Bia. Why you no say? If you have trained your son very well, he would have known how to treat a woman. So go home and do your homework very well.
You are the one who should train your daughter very well. Shameless woman. And where is that your useless daughter? Gabano, where is she?
So you entered my compound to insult me.
You
entered my compound to insult me. Where
is that your daughter? Let her come.
So you and your son kidnapped my daughter and you stand in front of me and be insulting me.
What can you do? What can you do? Don't worry, Nabia.
Kebono. She got so tough. I can't meet you in a river. Why you nyala? Train, I want to train. If I do this stuff, insult in my compound. She got so tough.
You mean she fought you in your own house?
Yes, Onne. But trust me, I taught her the lesson she will never forget in a hurry.
Oh, good.
She and her son killed my good-in-law, Akbaka, yet accused me of wrongdoing. I wish I stripped her naked.
That reminds me. What of your daughter? I haven't seen her since after she bought some clothes from me.
She's well. The only place that she will be right now is Udoye's house.
Udoye.
All this insult, Enafu, is all her fault.
Do not blame her. She's in love with Udoye. But Udoye and her mother
we soon understand that love is really the cause of all this confusion. Although you may appear unserious, but trust me, future is bright. Oh?
Ne, not even when I'm alive. Oh. If she likes, let her listen or not. All I know is that she's not going to marry that useless Udoye. Instead, Enne, ife de bois, utuye melili.
To this extent? Hey. My sister, take it easy. Oh, small. Everything will be all right. Eh? Don't bother yourself.
Ne, karapugodo nkawa. Biko, karapugodo nkawa. What of that your daughter? Has she gone back to school?
She has gone back to school.
Hey, Chukudalo.
Ana agbazinu mbọ. Eh? Akwụkwọ dịzikwa mkpa.
Ifugo. Ụmụaka kịta. Eh?
I thank God for
everything. I'm not small.
Where is the money I kept on top of that center table? Can I go? Money for. Mba, go in there and get me my money.
Mama, I don't like the way you're sounding. Why are you sounding like this now? You are my husband's mother. What belongs to you belongs to me. It was my husband Udoye that took the money and gave it to me. I thought he said
liar. That's a big lie. Go in there. If you know what is good for you, go in there and get me my money.
Mama, you are looking for my trouble.
Let's go.
I don't want to push you. If I push you now, you will die.
Push me now.
I don't want to touch you.
I said
I don't want to touch you.
I am begging you.
Mama, leave my clothes
now. Get
now.
me my money.
Mama, leave my clothes.
I will not.
Mama, leave me. Mama, I don't want to push you. And you fall and die. You're my husband's mother.
If I am a shit.
Mama, leave me now. Leave me now.
I will not.
Hey,
I will not.
Nai, I am telling you the truth. And it is very wrong for somebody to think that I'm supporting my daughters continue stay with Udoye and his evil mother. Man doesn't know no.
But all along, you know that Udoye has been visiting her in her own husband's house. And you have not done anything about it. You have not even tried to caution your daughter.
Nah, she's an adult and she stays in her own house. Udoye charmed my daughter and I can tell you that. And now he feels she's no longer good for him. But that doesn't mean I'm supporting my daughter, Nai.
Now you're talking.
Nai. Do. Biko. Want that Udoye's mother never to come close to my compound again. Because I am going to tear her into pieces. I don't care. Nah, but I'm keeping calm because of what people will say. But if she pushes further, entire Nike, mezense.
I have heard all you said, and I will look into the matter. And I promise you also, I will talk to Mama Udoye.
Nah, Dalo Rinne.
I'll do that.
At least for listening to me. Dalo.
Yes, man. One, my people, Kemesia.
One. Kenesia and Dibo, Kenemunyo.
Adi man, what's the one, eh? Take it easy, eh? Oh. Why, Mama, bye-bye. Sorry.
Hi. Open on my arm.
Now, I know why they say the evil that men do lives even after them. Mine confronts me alive. How can I be able to reset the mistake of my past? In a single day, my world is crashing before me. Adugo is my daughter. No wonder I have never had the urge to lay with her? Or how do I begin to feel this?
I was young and foolish, don't know what I was doing. My mistakes in the past, it's all coming back to me now. I wish I can just turn back the ends of time, right on my wrongs. My mistake in the past has humped me down. Where do I start to make amends? It's all coming back.
Why didn't you tell me all this? Or even tell Mama?
I was ashamed. And I didn't want my daughter to find out she's a product of rape. And Mama is a big issue. I didn't know what will happen if I tell her, so I decided not to say anything.
That is not an excuse. You know that is not an excuse. For once, you never thought I would need a father figure in my life. And he has been there all this time. Mom, you even knew I was working for Princess Miriam.
Mama told me.
Mama told you. And you did not bother to tell me your well-kept secrets. I am so disappointed in you. I do go. Daughter. I do go.
How can I come back to my father's house? Udoye no longer makes me feel like a woman, like he used to. Why? Is it because I am staying in his father's house? But I thought he would be happy. I don't know, I would have stayed back in Akbaka's house. No. That is no go area. Well, I have to try and make it up to Mama Udoye. If she can even accept me, no problem. Wait first. I have a better idea.
Ujunwa, who is feeding you with such news? Eh? Who told you I wanted to be a friend to Mama Udoye? A troublemaker and a foolish woman.
Mama, please calm down. I want us to have an understanding. No one will even like it that I came back to my father's house a disgrace. Think about your women meeting now. Think about how they will mock you, Mama.
To fear what? Mock who? Am I the one that left my husband's house? I'm in my husband's house.
But I'm your daughter. Or would you rather be a butt of joke in this village? All I want is for you to be friends with Mama Udoye, Mama. Please.
God forbid. God have mercy on anybody that will look me in the eyes and insult me. All they know is to lay insult. That's all. Bia Ujunwa, there were two options here.
What are the options?
Your husband's house or your father's house. Because you have to carry my dead body to Mama Udoye before I will talk to her.
Yeah.
In fact, I prefer you go back to your husband's house.
Mama, which husband? My husband is dead. Eh? Do you want me to go there and suffer? Which husband do you want me to go back to, Mama?
Go back to your husband's house. Fine now.
I don't have a husband again. Udoye is my only husband. He's the man I want to marry. Better accept it too.
Husband killer.
Wait, are you talking to me?
Did you hear me call your name?
So you don't have respect?
Respect who?
It's like you don't have respect. You don't have respect.
You don't have respect. You don't have respect.
Who is here? How can a woman being do this to my daughter? Eh? She even practically wanted to kill my daughter for me. I can see that your daughter Uju is actually getting crazy.
Me crazy?
Yes!
Hey, you have not seen my craziness.
What did my daughter did to her?
My sister, please. I am begging on behalf of my daughter. Please forgive her. Oh?
Mama, why are you begging?
Mama,
why are you begging her now? Look at this small girl. She saw me on the road and was insulting me. You are begging her for what now?
Close your mouth.
Close my mouth for what? Okay, she should not beg me.
Oh?
See, let me tell you, you don't have any right to touch this girl. She's my daughter. Then you have if she did anything wrong, you have to tell me first. What did my daughter do to you? Oh, you want to know? You want to know? You did not teach your daughter how to respect the elder. Eh? See, this is not the first time that respect the elder. You touch this girl. This is the first time you talk any of them. I will watch you. I will mess you up. You better keep quiet there.
Forgive her. Ujunwa, close your mouth, Ujunwa.
Mama, I should close my
Ujunwa.
mouth. Mama, stop begging these people. Mama, stop begging these people. Instead of your daughter thing, I will teach you. Instead of my daughter, I apologize for what she did. And she's here to make me. I will marry her. No wonder. You see? No wonder. I will show her who I am in this village. Yes, you are Uju. She's getting crazy. And why you that she wake up Ujunwa? You that she wake up. Kill people at night. Nonsense people. Ujunwa, bless human being. Mama, leave me now! Oh God, leave me! Mama, you are disgracing me! You are disgracing me!
Ujunwa!
This small girl now insulting me for what?
Uju, look at how you are disgracing me and your father here. Eh? Ujunwa!
No stand this shame. I am deeply disappointed in my father. He raped a vulnerable woman, got her pregnant, and the result is a look. So all this while, she's been my sister and I never knew about it. Wonderful. So disappointed. I can't stand it.
So what do you want us to do? Since your daughter cannot listen to anybody, and Mama Udoye does not want her name mentioned anywhere around her, what do we do?
Nah, we have to use that to our own advantage. It's either she goes back to her husband's house or she comes back to me. She is still young and she can find a husband.
You and I know that Udoye has a spell on her and it has not worn out. If only Udoye can leave the house and disappear for a while. Think so.
Nah, do you know what it means for someone's son to disappear? So that the woman staying with him will give up and go and leave. Eh? Nah, I don't sure that this idea will work.
You're still right. But your daughter is the problem. If she is kidnapped, she will still find a way to the house. Then what do we do again?
This is so bad though. Eh? Your daughter should at least try to consider. People think you are supporting her every behavior. I try my best to explain your very position.
It's Mama Udoye that is spreading the lies. Instead of her to hide her face in shame, it was her son who was hunting my daughter when she was in her husband's house.
Hey.
And now he killed her husband. Fuge. Eh? And my daughter wants him. And he's chasing her away. Odemma.
Eh? Hey! This is not good. Eh? Udoye should marry her now. Eh? After all, since she's good for him in her husband's house, then she should be good in his own bed. Oh, why for sure, dear?
Nina Kosikone married Udoye. Udoye only likes women with their husband.
Oh, Shimo.
Udo likes women with their husband. Imaro, he doesn't like women without their husband though. Even if they are naked in front of him. Udo nekwa fanya.
Away,
Away.
Hey.
Hey. Isimo. I don't know what to do in this situation now.
Just hope and pray. Hope and pray. Your daughter should wake up to her senses. Because her senses are on holiday. That is the truth. Had it been she's my daughter, I would have sent her out of this village to the city or somewhere else, very far. City. Go to Shaka.
Wanyeke, His Majesty is very, very remorseful for what he did. He is, I'm sure of that. Let me tell you, it is courtesy of youthful exuberance to the tune of even going to your daughter. It's a taboo. But I think he has shown remorse.
Oh no. I am still dumbfounded. Oh, Jurumono. You see? When you see a woman sitting with her legs open, do not ask her to close it. Because you don't know her source of fresh air. I can still remember what my daughter suffered those years. What she passed through. Even when I threatened her to tell me who got you pregnant, who raped you, she remained adamant. She refused to tell me. And look at where it has landed us today.
Wanyeke, it can be fixed.
Fixed in Odediaga.
It can be fixed. If we can fix the head of a dead person, what about us the living? His Majesty is very much aware that he has committed a taboo and he is ready to compensate for it.
Taboo ya bagotere. Oh no, if for taboo igwe, obagotere.
I'm not bagotere.
Kedo diya. How can he just come out from anywhere, somewhere, don't know where he came out from? Buchara nwa mmadụ. Okay, says igwe.
Wanyeke, remember, he was a prince then. You know, the blood was hot. So whatever he must have done must be out of youthful exuberance. Well, he is ready to compensate for the time. I think he is. I know what I did is unholy and despicable. I raped an innocent woman and rejected her pregnancy. I am not deserving of your forgiveness. But home is where the heart is. You are the only ones that I have.
Adugo is also your daughter. It cannot be denied.
She tried to fill in the gap in her life. Working hard. Trying to be responsible. It's time to do the right thing.
But how do I start? How do I start? How can I look into her eyes and tell her that I am her father?
One step at a time, Father. Step by step.
So what do I do and where do I start from to make amends? Oh, it's all coming back.
You sent for me, Your Majesty.
Yes, I want us to talk, my dear.
Talk? Now you want to talk? Is that you or your guilt talking? I am sorry, Your Majesty. I am not interested.
Go. You are my child, my flesh and blood. I know I don't deserve you, but please give me one more chance.
Chance, you say? Why? Why should I give you another chance?
Because we need to let go of the past. Let's take advantage of the future. I think life has given us that one chance. What is left for us now is to take the bull by the horn. Please, my child. Please.
Mama, once again, I'm sorry. Just that I was scared and I didn't know how to tell you. Oh?
You should have told me.
Mama.
Huh? You should have told me. If you had told me this thing wouldn't have gotten to this extent, to the extent of shame and disgrace.
Just that I was scared. I was scared. Adugo, you're back so soon.
I'm not even sure she left this house.
What happened? I went to see him and he asked for my forgiveness. I would have married my father. I would have...
It's okay. Cry. Cry it out. Okay? Unlock your soul.
The city is no-go area for me. Are you even listening to yourself? You want me to leave my husband and leave for the city? Mama, why now? Why?
Ujunwa, your husband is dead. And the man that you are living with is rejecting you. The best option is for you to go to the city and have a better life. Who knows? There might be opportunities.
Mama, my place is with my husband. Udoye loves me, Mama. And I want him in my life. Even if it will take time, I know he will return to me. I'm sure, I know.
In your dreams, my daughter. Can't you see that Udoye is running after all the married women in this village? He doesn't want you. Can't you see it right before you?
No! All I see is a man that will love me sooner than later. Mama, what did you cook? Mama Udoye locked up the kitchen and went to the market with the kids.
You see, this alone should show you that you are not welcome in that house. Ujunwam, come back to me. Eh? There is still light at the end of the tunnel.
Mama, the only light I see is with Udoye. I'm hungry. I told you I'm hungry. You are still talking about Udoye. Leave Udoye for me, oh. He's my husband. I love him. Leave it like that. Come and give me a Come now.
She still doesn't agree? Huh? What is wrong with that girl? Are you sure your daughter has not eaten orioto?
Orioto kwa?
Orioto, the one you eat and you refuse to go back to your senses. Eh?
Hey!
Edition only behe.
Hey.
My sister, you know why I'm doing all these things? So that I will not be blamed for anything. Eh? If Rabum, Ajadokwe. I don't know why this girl is doing all these things. Why is she treating me like this? Eh? What does she want to achieve? Work? No way. Business? No way. And it's the same thing that the husband complained of.
Hey, yeah. Oh, keep on praying for her. Eh? Because this is beyond human understanding. If she was dying for a rich man that will take good care of herself and you, her mother, eh? This one will be more understandable.
No. Imagine Udoye.
Ah.
Where did I go wrong?
Eh? Udoye, me.
Could they measure this girl?
My sister, don't worry. I have an idea to settle this matter.
Are you sure?
Very sure. Don't you trust me again?
Mama, this food is very delicious. I've not eaten food like this for a long time. Mama, it's like you cut your fingers into it.
Hey, Biko kwa. Hey, Nne. How is your husband and the mother-in-law?
They are fine, no. My mother-in-law went to the farm. I was supposed to follow her, but I was too tired. My husband, he's busy searching for a real job.
But he has a job before now.
Yes. Mama? Why am I suddenly feeling dizzy and sleeping?
Dizzy kwa. Continue eating. Maybe by the time you finish eating, you'll get strength. Libe no talker.
Or maybe because I walked a long distance to this place. This place is very far from my mother-in-law's place.
Yes, so.
Mama, I'm feeling sleepy now.
Ivan, do you want to go inside and sleep?
Mama, I think I'm pregnant.
Oh, if you're nature, I'm
tired. Hey!
If I knew what I know now, you would have been a long way below the surface of the earth.
Empty threats. It will interest you that my father is pulling off strings to release me from here. And when that happens, do you know what I'll do next? I will kidnap Aduko. You will not this time around! Nobody, I repeat, nobody will ever see her face again. Touch my sister. You won't! Wow, your sister. That makes it more easier. In a couple of days, I'll be out from here. And my next plan will be hashed out. Come for you.
Oh, my daughter, you are awake.
Mama.
You slept so deep. I was thinking that you wake up tomorrow morning. That is why I left you.
Why did you lock me inside now? Oh, Mama, please, open the door for me. Let me go back to my husband's house. He must be looking for me by now.
No, that is the only way to get you not to go back to Udoye again. Yes. You are under his spell and it needs to be broken.
Mama, did you put something in my food? Did you add anything in my food?
Igbo, just little can add. Mama,
Igbo!
And it's working.
You put Igbo in my food, Mama! Hey, Mama, you are wicked! Mama, why are you doing this to me now?
Larola, and don't disturb the neighbors. So, Larola, if you need anything, call my attention. Man on the other side.
Mama, Biko, please come back. Mama, please, Mama.
Tichalo, you are too much.
Eh?
Hey! Your head is filled with wonderful ideas. So, I now have my daughter to myself. It's why you feel. Hey! Chineke. The only problem now is that she's tired in that room. But she's not even complaining.
Of course, she will soon cooperate. Because all this thing we are doing is for her own good. So that people will stop talking and gossiping about her.
Yes, so. The only problem now is how to convince her to relocate to the city for a better life. And how to make her to understand that Udoye is a wrong choice.
She will not understand though, because all she knows is Udoye this, Udoye that.
Anyway, I'm happy now because she's not going anywhere. No leave, no transfer.
Your Majesty, may you continue to reign in this kingdom.
It shall be well with you.
I have to deliver your message now.
It shall be well with you.
Greetings, Ono.
Greetings, my princess. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Your Majesty, I will leave you people. I must be on my way now.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Sit, please. Father, about your wedding plans. Here is the event plan I've been telling you about. She just arrived. Greetings, Your Majesty.
Greetings. You're welcome. My dear, I'm afraid you have to go ahead and do what you want. After all, the event is in your hands.
But Father,
Don't father me. Don't father me. I am a grown man with intelligent children. Go on with the project. After all, you're the fund handler. Whatever you decide is acceptable by me.
Very well, Father. Trust me to give you the best. And on that note, please excuse us. Let's go.
Good.
Mama, Biko now. Mama, please open the door for me. Mama, I want to the toilet. I want to go to the toilet. I'm pressed. Mama, Biko, no, open the door for me now.
Junwa, I am doing this thing for your own good. So that you will leave that Udoye man. Udoye with ambition.
Okay, Mama. Please, just open the door for me. I want to ease myself. You want me to die here?
No, my daughter. You are not dying. Just wait. I will do something. When you people, I will carry it. You are my daughter now.
Just open the back door for me. Since
No.
Yesterday, Mama, I'm not toilet. You want me to die here?
I am coming.
Mama, Biko, Mama, Biko. Mama, open the door for me. I want to go to the toilet. I will die here. Mama, I will die here.
Hey! Hey! Who has scattered my plan? Hey! Hey, Fumo! Hey! After my phone can I get it? After my phone can I get it? Oh, can't see you. Hey! Hey! Oh! Hey! Chimo! Where boom? Where boom? I'm not going to always be if I can not plan on there. Hey! Maybe, where will I start again? This one has already failed. To start another plan again. Hey! Ujunwa, oh, you have killed me. Ujunwa, you have killed me.
How could you have let that happen? Why didn't you lock the door and insert the keys in your bra? That way she wouldn't have run out.
Uju is no longer a small girl. She has been married before. Even if I hid it inside my private part, she would have gone there to take it. This girl will not kill me.
Did she go back to Doye's house?
Where else will she be? And this time, I went there, she locked herself inside the house and refused to speak to me.
Hey,
How I wish the father is still alive. He would have made her to stay one place.
This one with me. She has to be put in cage and make sure she doesn't come out. But wait,
what is it?
What if you convinced Udoye to leave his home, go to the city, and get a new life? We both know he has been avoiding your daughter.
Why, Ma? Looking at Udoye, does it look like someone who has ambition? I'm just asking you.
Udoye.
Oh,
Where's my car key?
They are with me. You know the investigation is still very much open. You have to be of good conduct until it is over.
I understand. And my dad?
Your dad is absolutely fine. He wants you to keep away from the State House for the now. You know he's preparing for his second term in office. Your conduct lately has not been too encouraging.
Whatever. My car keys.
I told you not to come here this time. How far? What's up? What's up?
Sir, do you wish to bid your friend a goodbye? At least we will need some light poem. A light poem of extension.
Words are not enough. Maybe in your next life, never mess with a man whose name begins with S. Onyala. What are you talking about? I don't understand. It's okay. It's okay. I'll try. Hold on. I'll call you back. I'll call you back. Okay?
Sebastian,
Yeah. What's up?
you're here. What happened? I searched everywhere for you at the traditional marriage party. You were nowhere to be found. To attend to your special guests. I ended up attending to them. What happened? What are you doing here?
Actually, I came back home to pick up something very important. Are you guys back already?
Yes, they're back.
For you? Mom, Dad?
They're back. They're inside. Stepmother, I mean. They're inside.
Okay. Come on, let's proceed.
No, I came to get something.
Okay. I'll be there.
You sure you're fine?
Yeah, I'm good.
Make sure you have fun.
Yeah, I will.
That's fun. And
Son, do you really need this vacation?
Yes, Dad, I have to. You know, I just have to take some time out. When I get there, I'll look for someone who will make me happy.
yeah, he needs it. Someone who will make you happy. Okay. Take your time.
Are you shitting me out?
No. Take your time. Look for a good person, a beautiful person to make you happy. And make sure you don't come back empty-handed.
It's all right. Let's go.
Okay.
Good day, Your Majesty.
Dictative.
Your Majesty.
What do I owe this person?
The prince is under arrest.
Correct.
Under arrest? For what?
For an attempted murder.
You don't say.
This young man here confirmed his involvement in the act.
Are you sure of what you're saying?
Very sure, Your Majesty.
Very sure.
Very sure.
You have to remain silent because whatever you say or do will be used against you in the court of law. Now move.
Calm down. Did you do it?
I said move!
Talk to me, is it true? Did you do it? Father, you can't allow them to take him away, Father, please. Father, you have to do something. You're taking him away.
Let's do something.
Your Highness, there must be something we can do. You can't just let him be in there. He's your only heir.
You are right, my dear. But the only problem here is that an honorable member is involved.
Even at that, maybe you can reach a sort of an agreement with him. You can't just let him rot in there.
It's all right. As you rightly pointed out, he is my only son, an heir to the throne of Okohia Kingdom. I will see what I can do.
Thank you.
Don't worry.
Okay.
I don't understand. Could it be that they are making all this up? Because we were all here in the palace celebrating father's marriage.
Exactly. Besides, he never left the ceremony. We all know Douglas is a very shady person. And we need to be wary of him. Why? I can't place it. But I think he has his hands filled with lots of problems. Sebastian is just being used as a scapegoat.
Why, Ma? I was thinking that you must have left.
Did you meet him?
Yes, I did do. But that Udoye is one big hell of work. Eh? It's not making any sense at all. I was trying to explain things for him, only for him to say I should go and bring carton and carry my daughter along with me.
Chineke, what kind of talk is that?
If you ask me, who will I ask?
Ah.
I am backing off. Oh. If my daughter wants, let her go and spend her whole life with that bushman. Ika Abugum, my dear, let me go and enjoy my ofunubu and the apple. I don't know who's my kifa also.
She's your daughter. Oh. She's still your daughter. Eh? Your only child.
But I can't kill myself. I can't kill myself.
My sister.
Because of her. Ika Abugum. Father, no, you're back.
Yeah.
Father, how is he? Will he still be arraigned in court?
My love, talk to us. Your children and I, we are eager to know the outcome.
The Honorable, he thinks the case will dealt a blow to his political ambition.
So?
He agreed to drop the charges against Sebastian. He's coming.
Yes!
I must confess this calls for celebration. Let's go inside.
Finally, some good news! Thank God.
I am stuck between the devil and the blue sea. I am stuck between a fire and a dungeon. Decision making is impossible. Oh, how do I get out of this? So confusing, man. Which one do I go for? And which one do I turn down? This whole thing is so hard on me. It's so hard on me. What do I do now? Which way to go now? This whole thing is so hard on me. It's so hard on me. What do I do now? Which way to go now? Oh. Stuck between the devil and the blue sea. I am stuck between a fire and a dungeon. Decision making is impossible. Oh, how do I get out of this? So confusing, man. Which one do I go for? And which one do I turn down? This whole thing is so hard on me. So hard on me. What do I do now? Which way to go now? This whole thing is so hard on me. It's so hard on me. What do I do now? Which way to go now? Oh, hey.